doing the final touches on the Louis Vuitton handbag cake. We're just making some final touches on the gold trimmings on the cake. But so far everything is alright on it. This is a way you can brush up on the beauty and the design. Do a final finish that give it a sheen to let it look more realistic. It's a matter, you could do it in gold, you could do it in silver, but I guess the original bag is like this. Well, for most people who don't know, an official handbag Louis Vuitton like this is over £1,000. But I guess the cake is not that expensive, but you know, as you can see, the realistic look in it, the zip, the key holder, the lock.
What I want to say to you about this cake? Did you make it from scratch, or you know what I mean? Everything on it is just...
Everything on it is cake. It's cake, one big cake. We divide it into 3 parts, build it up, trim it to make the shape of the bag. Then it's covered over with marzipan to kind of protect the cake and also to hold the structure of the cake. Then every piece is layered on, piece by piece. Some of the component need...
What I want to say to you, if someone should order this cake definitely from you, what the price? Because you know what I mean, I never, my name is Chef Ricardo, you know what I mean, and I know what I mean, a lot of people know me, and you know what I mean, but basically I never make a cake like this before, and I never see something like this before. But what I want to say, you know what I mean, because I know most of my fans, I'm gonna say something like this on the YouTube channel. So basically I want to say, if someone should order a cake from you like this, how much you would charge?
Well, you're looking for about 120 to 150 pounds for a cake like this at the moment, because of the details that goes into it, the type of cake and the amount of hours. It actually took 2 days just to do this cake, because 1 day to bake and prepare it and the other day to decorate it. Some of the components need 24 hours to dry so that they hold the structure. So that's the reason why a lot of man hours goes in the cake, so that's why the cake is at that cost.
Well, honestly, I never see something like this, you know what I mean? And I said to my fans, if you're gonna watch this video and you want a birthday, so you do this for birthday, innit?
Yes, birthday, anniversaries, any form of celebration, we can do cakes like this.
I believe someone gonna contact you, man, because honestly, I never see something like this in my whole entire life, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. So, yeah, as I can see, well, the cake look really nice, and you know what I mean, so you say it's a finished touch up this at the moment.
Yeah, it's just a finishing touch to add a little bit more flair to it, along with adding the gold touch to it. We also use a glaze spray to create the sheen of the handbag. It's an edible spray, so you don't have to worry about eating it or any toxin. It's specifically made for cakes and things like this. So you spray the spray on and you get this sheen in it.